Sustainable farming is taking center stage as the world's population continues to grow and as valuable resources diminish. To combat this problem, farmers are continuously looking for innovative ways in which the agriculture sector can advance to become more efficient, economic, and environmentally friendly.
Hi, I'm Molly Aellen, and I'm going to discuss what I believe to be the most impactful innovation in agriculture, and share with you my vision for agriculture in the future.
At the turn of the 21st century, technology has taken the world by storm, affecting nearly every industry, and farming is no exception. Farmers have access to farm management apps on their phones, drones to check crops, and even autonomous farm equipment. But I believe the biggest impact on the industry has been the use of GPS and GIS systems. The Global Positioning System, paired with Geographic Information Systems, have revolutionized the way in which farmers view and farm their land. Precision agriculture is being used by farmers to distribute resources in exact quantities and in precise locations in order to maximize output and minimize input. This creates an environmentally friendly and sustainable system. GPS and GIS systems collect real-time data that provides accurate positioning of equipment in the fields. This allows for straight, even spacing of crop rows, which gives crops the ability to reach their optimal growth potential. It also ensures that every inch of crop is getting the attention it needs, meaning you're not missing passes or possibly double spraying. Farmers can also now crop scout much easier, meaning they can pinpoint areas where soil composition or nutrient content is low, see areas where pesticides may need to be used, and locate what areas in a field produce the most or least yield. By knowing this information, farmers could use variable rate application to target these specific areas. This allows farmers to use less chemicals on our crops, which is both economical for the farmer and, most importantly, better for the environment. This helps the environment since fewer chemicals and fertilizers are being spread, reducing the likelihood that those nitrates and phosphates will leach into surrounding ecosystems. Precision agriculture is also increasing the yield and quality of crops, providing more food for the ever-growing population in a sustainable and efficient way. The problem is that many areas around the world do not have optimal growing environments because of either droughts, floods, short growing seasons, or diseases, hindering the crop's ability to grow. I want to combat this problem through the genetic engineering of plants to produce more resilient, nutritious crops, which can be distributed to these areas. In the fall, I am attending the University of British Columbia, where I plan to attain a Bachelor of Science degree. I then plan to take that degree further and study genetics and genetic engineering. Genetic engineering of plants can develop crops that mature faster and are more tolerable to environmental stressors, allowing plants to grow in conditions they might otherwise not flourish. This would be beneficial in poverty nations where there is not ideal growing conditions for many crops. Genetic engineered crops also produce higher yields with less need for chemicals, which makes them more affordable and accessible for consumers. I'd also like to explore the idea of the medical benefits GMOs can potentially have. Already, plant nutrient composition and quality is being enhanced through genetic engineering. However, I am intrigued by the idea of using genetically modified plants as recombinant vaccines. This could provide a way to administer widespread vaccinations in underdeveloped, disease-stricken countries where it may be hard to reach the whole population. Innovations in agriculture are helping to advance our society into becoming more sustainable and forward-thinking.
I am excited to become a part of these advancements and contribute to the longevity of agriculture.